where I'll demonstrate the proper technique for drawing support and resistance levels. These levels are crucial tools in technical analysis, yet many novice traders use them incorrectly, leading to significant losses. So, without further ado, let's dive in and get started. Understanding support and resistance is essential for traders. When the price approaches these levels, it often provides high-probability trading opportunities. For example, consider this resistance area on the chart. The price rises to this level, then falls back. If the price reaches this level again, there's a good chance it will drop once more, presenting a potential trade. A common mistake beginners make is cluttering their charts with too many support and resistance lines, leading to confusion. The purpose of these levels is to simplify trading, not complicate it. This confusion often arises from not following key principles, which I'll share with you today. The first principle for identifying support or resistance is multiple rejections. For instance, if you see the price dropping to a certain level multiple times and then rising, this level is a potential support area. Similarly, if the price rises to a level repeatedly and then falls, this indicates a potential resistance area. But what if there are no multiple rejections yet? In such cases, identify major price swings and draw support and resistance levels accordingly. For example, if the price rises to a point and then falls, draw a resistance line at that point. The same applies in a downtrend. If the price drops to a certain level and then rises, draw a support line there. The second principle is that a single line can serve as both support and resistance. For instance, if a price level acts as resistance, the price is rejected multiple times, and then the price breaks above it and later comes back down to this level, it may now act as support. To illustrate, look at this chart. Initially, the price is rejected multiple times at a certain level, marking it as resistance. However, once the price breaks through this resistance and later retraces to this level, it now serves as support, with the price bouncing off it multiple times. This transformation from resistance to support is a critical concept to grasp. The third and most crucial principle is that the level must be close to the current price. Drawing support and resistance levels far from the current price can be confusing and unhelpful. Focus on levels near the current price to make your trading decisions clearer. For example, draw a support zone where the price is frequently rejected, close to the current price. Similarly, identify a resistance level where the price has faced multiple rejections, also near the current price. Remember, support and resistance are not just lines, they are zones. Creating a rectangle box can help visualize these zones more effectively. Let's delve deeper into examples to solidify our understanding. Suppose the price rises to a certain level and then falls back multiple times. This is your resistance level. Conversely, if the price drops to a level and rises repeatedly, this is your support level. You can also draw trend lines to identify support in an ascending trend. For instance, if the price consistently rises while forming higher lows, you can draw an ascending trend line to act as dynamic support. In another scenario, imagine the price dropping to a level, taking a small pullback and then breaking that level only to get rejected at it multiple times. This situation indicates a new resistance level, while a nearby level can serve as your support. This dynamic often occurs in trending markets where previous support becomes new resistance and vice versa. Let's consider charts with no clear multiple rejections. In such cases, focus on significant price swings. For example, if the price ascends to a peak and then declines, you can draw a resistance line at that peak. The same logic applies in a downtrend where the price falls to a trough and then ascends, marking that trough as a support line. Identifying these key swings helps in defining crucial support